Hey, what's up, YouTube? It's your boy Willie T with an E and a 3, and we back with another video today. Today, man, stop running from 12. Stop doing it. But if you gonna do it, you gotta do it right. So here we are, back at it like crack at it, just like we ain't never had it. I don't know why I said it. Anyway, we get right to it, man. Police versus street race is crazy. It's gonna be crazy now. That's what they said.
That was illegal. The plate, you can't swing. So you know, if you're gonna ride, that thing's flying up.
Oh.
Yo, what's up and welcome back to today's video where I'm going to show you some of the craziest tuner versus police action ever. But before this video starts, I just wanted to make clear that all of these clips are movie sets and some of the cars are driven by professional stunt drivers. So make sure to let me know which clip was the craziest in the comments. Don't fast forward and stick around till the end to see what happens when the police
CGI,
just doesn't even care anymore.
It's CGI. Oh,
we are starting today's video off with these guys who just got caught street drifting. Do you think they did let him go in the end?
Yes, sir. Hit that bit though. People that do this is crazy. Oh, he almost ended it. W camera people in the car in front of him. L friends, them niggas laughing. That's a good ass video though. It's probably a fire ass video. Damn. Is that a girl? Oh, no.
Next up are these guys street racing right next to a highway patrol.
Race right in front of the highway patrol. Bro, no way. Yeah.
Damn, this is your surroundings, bro.
That fool did not give a fuck. What the fuck?
What just happened? He not turning his light?
Bro, they're not even seeing him. Bro, what the fuck?
Coming on to this dude with his Honda Integra, which led the cops to think that guns were involved.
Nah, that shit sound like gunfire. That shit sound like gunfire. What does this nigga do? Nah, this is some idiotic shit.
Oh, watch out, drive on.
What you're about to see are evil cops that just don't care.
That was idiotic as hell. Like, what was the point of him doing that shit? Don't piss me off. What was the point of him doing that shit? That shit was literally stupid as hell. Like, stupid as fuck.
Oh, watch out, drive on.
What you're about to see are evil cops that just don't care or don't even know what you're doing anymore.
That's my S197, boy. So what do you do? He should at least went the other way where they... I don't know. He just said, fuck it. These niggas wildin'. Y'all niggas is wildin'.
I see the laws, get on there. Oh, the laws, get on there. Oh, the laws, he around the laws.
Damn. This is embarrassing. And he eating this nigga up. The cops just let him do that shit too. What? Damn, imagine getting bullied like that. What is happening, bro? Like, what's happening? That cop said, I don't want no
I
part.
don't know how they let him do this, but the Supra is going for it.
That a real cop though? Yeah, this shit can't be real life right now. Let this be Atlanta, Georgia. GSP pull up in this motherfucker. It's over
Before I
with.
show you the next clip, I just wanted to let you know that over 90% of you guys
Yeah, gotcha.
I would really appreciate if you would hit that like and subscribe button. Also make sure to comment #outlaw if you're part of the squad. Up next are these guys drifting on the parking lot until the police came.
Okay. Oh shit. I don't know what they was doing. They wasn't drifting though. Them boys are hitting circles. Whoa, not the taser. Damn. I know a lot of this video is low-key ass. Can I say that?
These police officers are doing
can say
burnouts
that.
and then followed a Hellcat through the mountains.
What? A police car did that shit is crazy. Damn, he must have had no attention when he was in high school. Hey, he ate that motherfucker up though. That was clean. That was fucking clean.
What you're
y'all.
about to see and hear is absolutely ridiculous.
How you doing?
Doing okay. Hey, what year is this vehicle?
22.
Why is it backfiring?
It's
Making noise.
I know, it's how it comes stock.
Really?
Yeah, you can check under the hood if you'd like.
Oh no, I'll just send you to the state rep, and what they'll do is send you back to the factory and have whatever. Is it in track mode?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, so what they're gonna do here? Let me have your license. So what happens? I send you to the state rep. All right, state rep, we're here in California. They're gonna suspend your
State
registration.
rep is so stupid.
You can't drive the car. You gotta go take it to the state rep. They're gonna look at it. They're gonna send you back to the dealer. The dealer has to remove the track ops that you have to pay for. It's about $4,000. Once that's been done, you go back to the state rep to verify all the track modes have been removed. You cannot drive this on the road with the track mode.
That's
I
stupid.
can? Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
Well, you won't be able to anymore. You've just lost this. You're going to spend about $7,000 on this car right now. Go ahead and get me the registration.
That's
I don't
so
need to look into it.
stupid.
Okay.
You can't track rally mode or illegal on the road.
I'm sorry, I didn't know that.
Well, it's your money, not mine.
Right, right.
They tell you this at the dealer. If not, you can
No,
sue
they
the dealer for the money.
don't.
Tell them you
Okay.
want your $4,000 or $5,000 back.
Sure, sure. Yeah, they didn't tell
And
They
there
don't
can't
tell
be
you
an
that
episode
stupid
of
ass
Tuners
shit.
vs.
That cop literally, that cop literally said, "I'm gonna make your life a living hell because I can't afford a car like this." Stop it, bro.
police cars without our Japanese brothers.
Yeah, you good, bro?
What the hell's going on here? There's a whole bunch of hoopla. What car is that? Gotta be S15. Gotta be S chassis for sure. He out of there. Well, he's not out of there, but he's driving. SC300. Boosted SC300. Boy probably got the real 2JZ under that motherfucker. I know them cars slow as dirt, bro. We've all seen this video. I know this video. We've all seen this video. Damn. He's actually a terrible driver. Actually, I'll tell you about. I won't say a terrible driver. My fault. I can't remember, but he really could have got up out of there. But instead, he decides to just crash into the cops and shit. the cops are definitely worse drivers than him, but that's why it worked out in his favor. Otherwise, he was just fucking up his car. Look at him, he just crashed into people and shit. Niggas not even trying to escape, he's just trying to hit shit. Look at that cop, stupid. Like, what is he doing? He's trying to juke him out. The cop car is the Beamer? Damn. What the fuck?
And finally, this is what happens when the police suddenly crashes the meet.
He hitting that bitch. He hitting that mug. He rocking that mug. He walking that bitch. Free. Totally worth it.
Let her
Yeah,
rip.
nigga.
Let her rip.
Oh, he old as hell. He said, I'm just going. Mustang, man. That's crazy. What I said? Alright, so that's the end of the video, man. If y'all made it to the end, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification. And man, oh man, this video wasn't in the plan. This video was actually not that good, but it don't matter because I'm here, you're here, we all rock with each other, and we in there, man. I haven't talked to y'all the end of the videos in a little minute, man. Just follow your dreams, man, and then put in that work, bro. If you really want something, put it in that work. And I don't mean want something and damn, I gotta put in that work. Damn, I forgot it. Like, don't talk about it, just do it. Don't talk about it, be about it, and take it to the, you know what I'm saying? Chris Brown said that, I think. But anyway, man, appreciate y'all rocking the video, man. We are monetized finally. We're at 12.2K. We're still trying to hit 15K. And we in it bit, man. Today we on a daily upload shit. So we finna rock this shit and top this shit and lock this shit for real. And yeah, y'all made it to the end. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, on that bell notification. And yeah, see y'all tomorrow for real.